Hello everyone, today I will teach you great pastry decoration. White chocolate crisps. These are super easy to make and you will need only 3 ingredients. So let's do it.
These ingredients are sugar, white chocolate and glucose. I will leave the full recipe in the description. You can easily scale it up or down. To begin, mix the sugar and glucose, then heat the mixture to 160 degrees Celsius. Once it reaches the temperature, remove it from the heat and stir in the chopped white chocolate. At this point, you should have a thick, caramel-like mixture. Transfer it onto the baking paper and let it to cool completely. You can spread it out a bit to speed up the cooling process. Once cooled, break it into pieces and blend it into fine powder. Sieve the powder and spread it evenly onto the baking paper. Bake it at 160 degrees Celsius until the crystals melt and form a thin, crisp layer. And your crisp is now ready. If you would like to create different shapes instead of just a flat sheet, you have about a 30 seconds window after removing it from the oven to bend and shape it. Feel free to add spices like a cinnamon or star anise to customize the flavor. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, guys.
And if you would like to learn another cool pastry garnish, check out this video and learn how I can make my caramel crisp at home. Thank you for watching, guys, and I see you soon.